Okay guys, welcome to a very exciting tutorial part 5, and in this one we're going to continue our construction on this building. Then what we're gonna do this time is we're gonna make the roofs over here, and this part, and then we'll put the doors and the windows. Okay, so to do so we're going to our floor plan here. Then we'll take the slab tool here. Slab, thickness 10 and altitude 250, and I changed the model. Here is ceiling, and the top will be concrete. Where is our concrete? I think it's this one here. Then okay, then I drew our slab on this. Yeah, be careful, be sure that you are at the second floor. So I drew it here like this. There you go. Preview it in 3D. There you go. I think it's a bit down, and I press on shift and I select it, and I will change the altitude. Here I will do 270. There you go. Well, and now we are going to make the roof over here. I take this roof here, then I choose this one, and then I open the roof parameter, and I choose this here, and here I will use 20, and here I will make it the same height as our slab, 270, and then here I will use 5 degree. Then for the model I will use our stucco white, yeah, stucco white rough, and the same for all. Then okay, then here is the reference line. It's going here, and now I will draw it. We'll draw it till here approximately. Just look at the distance. 5, no, 550, 570. It's okay. There you go. Preview it. Yeah. So now it's like floating now, but we need a column to support it. We come back here, then I go to our column here, circle 1, 30, it's okay. Then the model will use stucco white rough as usual. Okay, then I'll make a little guide. I draw this guide on the middle of this one here till here. Then I search, I divide it into 3. There you go. I put one here, and I select it, Ctrl Shift D. From this part I press on Shift to get that one. Yeah, there you go. I think it's very thin, 30. I'll add like 50. I want it bigger. There you go. F3. Yeah. That is about that roof. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the roof in here. Okay, and we need a wall right here. I go back to F2. Wait, I check something. Okay. Okay. Come back here. Here's our column. Okay. So I will just duplicate this wall here. Control Shift D and bring here. Yep. No. Come back. It's not okay. Yeah. We need to make a new wall. Thick 20. Height 90. Yeah. There you go. And build that wall in here. Not that one. The other side. Inside face. Yep. Now we are going to preview it. Yep. There's our wall. Then guys, if you notice, when I open this here, there is a new plugin here, this Archicad 2 or it's from it's a plugin of Archicad 18, but mine is not activated. Then if you guys have the cracked version, or I don't know, this plugin, let me know. Okay, it's a very cool, and I've got it, but in a version in Archicad 16. Then we'll have a tutorial on that next time. How to make a quantity survey for the building. There we go. And now we're going to make our roof. I go to roof, then I'll have something thinner like 5, and then here will be the bottom will be 50, here will be 4 degree, and we're not going to use stucco white but another one. It will be black color. Yeah, let's try. Firstly, when you're going to draw a roof, you need to draw the reference line first, like I do here. This is the reference line, and the reference line means it is the bottom of the roof. I mean, the altitude that you indicated in here. I mean, here, this altitude. So the reference line will be this part here, and there will appear the eye then it will indicate where the roof is going. Okay, so when after hitting OK, and now our roof is going here, and I click over here and I draw that roof from the reference line to here. There you go. F3. Yeah, it's very good. Very good. Come back. Then I have a little problem here. Not exactly a little problem, but my roof is not a tile roof. But here I have a tile hatch, so I will disable it. So I go to roof settings, then go to a floor plan section, then we'll search for that hatch. Here it is. Then just use the empty one, then OK. There you go. There you go. Go to F3. Yeah, what we're gonna do now is we are going to cut the walls that overlaps our wall. Okay, so I will select all the walls, and also the roofs. No, wait, I select them again. This. There you go. So after selecting them, we're just going to click on this tool, trim elements. Just click on it and trim. There you go. So now we've got our roof. Very good. Then we just need to lower or not. We are just going to rise our wall a little bit. Change the altitude. I add 55 more, little bit more, like 57. Okay, there you go. Yeah, but you can make it a very exact measure, like 60, I think. But I prefer to do it like this. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And then okay, what I'm gonna do now is our wall here, it should be a little bit over here, so I need to change that. I go back to here and I will select our wall, then I will add a distance. This will be 50 centimeters away. So I do Control D. It will be here, 50. Enter, and then this is our roof. I will adjust it also. I will choose this one here. There you go. There you go. F3. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And then change our slab and the other walls. F2. Come back here. This wall, it will join this wall here. Then there's another here, it will join this part. And now I come back to our first floor. Yeah, and I also need to adjust this slab here to here. And then after that, let's have a look at it first. What did I do? I activate this here, the model. Do you know what is the problem here? Our slab and columns disappear. It means our bearing elements has disappeared. And we're going to column. There you go. It was just a problem of refreshing. There we go. You can give it a larger distance, but I prefer, what we need is just a design. And what we're gonna do now is a little veranda here. Go to here, and I will just change the slab here to have a little veranda here. Okay, so what I will do is I create a point here, and to do so I click here, and now I got a point. Why I create a point, you will see it, and then I click on the edge of the slab, and then I bring it. And one of the reasons why I create the point is just to have this angle here. Okay, and I will give it 120. 120. No, that's very big. Come back. 100. Yeah, it's okay. And then I take the wall, tool, and here choose not linked, height 40, then thickness 10, model stucco white rough, and polygonal wall. Then we draw our wall from here to here, then right click and then OK, F3. Yep. And then we're going to draw the same thing over here. F2, then I directly copy this wall, unsuspend group, Control C, then I go to the App Store, then Control V, click. This is our slab, and we need to have a slab here also, so I will just create points like here. I click and click on this and click there, and then also here. There you go. Then I click between those 2 points and click offset edge, and here. There you go. F3. Yep. And then what we're gonna do now is we're going to draw the same thing here. I go to F2 here and come down, and then here I will create a guideline, then we'll draw 25 from here. There you go. I select the slab, then I will create a point here. Then another point, like let's say here. And now I take the line tool, then from here I would like to have a veranda coming like this here, and width, okay, so I unselect it first. I will take the line tool, I will draw something like this, same length as this one here, and here I would like to have 150. Sorry, here is 150. Then okay, and now I reselect the slab, and I put this point here and this one. Aligned with this here. I would like this here. To do so, I will just create a guideline from here to here. Yep, there you go. Then here I just offset the edge to here. There you go. Now I just select all the lines and delete them, and then I just take this wall here, Control Shift D, I duplicate and put here, and this one. There you go. I select suspend group. Yep, make it like this one longer to here, and duplicate it. Duplicate this part here. There you go. F3. Okay. Come back here. I go to the second floor and I activate the reference. Then in here I will draw a thicker slab, like 20. Then I draw something like this here. Then this will be longer. Something like this here. This one will be a bit longer. Let's do 40. Okay, then now for example I made a mistake. I want this here to be at the center of this one, so I will take a measure of this. This is 190. Okay, and I come down here, I deactivate the reference, then I will draw a line from here, 190, right click OK, then I will move the walls. Now I activate the half. This is the half. This. Sorry. Yeah. Control D. This. And move it to here. And now I change the slab also. Just change those points. Put it here. These points to here. This one to here. This here. And delete our guideline. F3. This one is very high. It's very high. So we need to change its story. Just select it and affect it to story 1. There you go. Yes, it will be something like that. But check the altitude. It will be 310. Then OK. And now we're going to draw long, very tall column. Come back to F2, come back to a floor plan, then I take the column tool. Here I will use 30 per 20, or this here a little bit bigger, 40. I will just try with that. And at the model I will use stonework, then okay, just put it like here. There, the size is not good. Now this was activated. Here I will do 60, and here I will do 30. Yeah, I wanted to have something like this. Then okay. Okay, I select this, then take this value here, 620, and then take our column, duplicate it to here, select both of them, and then give them the height of 620, or a little bit more, 640. Then I put it at the ground floor, then okay, preview, there you go. I just need to give it a bit more of height, 640. I add 40 again, 680 then. There you go. Okay, what we're gonna do now is make our slab to here, F2, ground floor, select the ground floor, and then offset the edge to here or to here. I prefer to here, F3. There you go. Right. Just this way, I think, here. Then I select the two columns, and here -30, F3. There you go. It's okay. It's okay. So that's it. See you in part 6.